How's it going, guys? All right, man, I just love doing these videos this morning. We have been doing really well. I'll quickly cover this because I want to get into today's analysis of where the next crash point is. We ended up doing a call on Bitcoin, seeing we're going to crash right around $22,000 in the last video we came out with. This was yesterday. We ended up getting that. We got a great call on here. We ended up exiting 50% of our position. It was a great call. And now I want to talk to you guys about where the next crash point is, because I want to talk about where the next crash point is, and then I want to talk to you guys about what can happen here for Bitcoin and crypto to explode. And some of you guys might be excited about that. So I'll share that with you guys for sure today. But real quick, guys, we ended up closing our 10th scalping trade in a row. And this puts us at 40% pulled out of the market since May 18th. This is averaging for us, because this was 50 days yesterday, 0.80. But we're actually averaging. Let me come over here and show this to you guys. If you go to the front page, our indicator sell ends today, by the way. This is your last day to get these, and we're going to be upping the price tonight at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. But we've been averaging 0.78% profit per day on average with the scalping strategy we're using. And all those 40%, guys, those were called out on YouTube. Well, guess what? The new scalping trades that we're going to be calling out are going to be called out for our members only. I wanted to prove to you guys, to the public, look, we can prove this to you guys. We called everything live on YouTube. 40% in a row since May 18th, averaging 0.78% profit a day. Only our members now. We'll do more on YouTube, guys, but we're gonna start dishing these out just to our members so you guys can access this. So $95 a month. Make sure you guys get over here and sign up. Make sure you're part of the Telegram channel, because this is where we're gonna be calling out all of the trades. As long as you guys are in here and you get access to Telegram and you sign up, you are good to go, guys. All right. So here's what I want to talk about in today's video. Besides the indicator sell, you guys can click this and there's a link in the description. Snag them today because the price is going up. Where is Bitcoin going to go before the next drop? We got to talk about this. So let me take you guys to the daily time frame real quick, because we have to start here before anywhere else. What we're seeing right now is the exact same pattern that we're seeing on the last crash. We saw an impulse move down and actually what's called a bear flag to the downside. Let me explain to you guys what a bull flag looks like. So bear flag, we've got impulse move down and we've got the move up. This is a bear flag to the downside. A bull flag is basically just the absolute opposite. An impulse move up and then a channel that actually moves down. So price action goes up like this, and then it goes into a channel like this, and then it shoots back up. This is classically known as a bear flag. So you have impulse move down with a channel that's moving up, looking to move down again. But, okay, here's the deal, guys. Yes, that's true, and I know people who may argue that, saying, hey, we're going to crash back down, but can I give you guys a scenario where we may head back up? I'm going to cover both in today's video. Let's start with the metrics. This is how we called the exit yesterday, resistance and metrics. Trend exhaustion in the top red section up here. Where do you see this happening before in the market, guys? Trend exhaustion was high here. It had a little bit of an overextension, getting people excited, and a huge crash back down. Okay, interesting. Let's go to the time before that. Did it call a drop in the market? It did. It took the high and it called the exact high before we saw the drop back down. Did it do anything like this in the past before this? Yes, it did, guys. When this was up here and it was saying, hey, heads up, we are up here and we are far overextended. The last ditch effort, guys, for retail traders to think we're going to the moon, that was it. And we crashed from here into the bear market cycle. Okay? Want to just show this and point this out to you guys. Even over here, pushing up in the top red section, calling the move down before we ended up seeing this drop back down here and right there as well. And then obviously in the past, we can see when this has got to the top red section, we've seen moves down. Just showing you guys the accuracy in the past of this so you guys can give, basically just some evidence of how accurate this thing actually is. It is ridiculous. This is how we've won our scalping trades and how we actually have the highest win rate in all of crypto on this YouTube channel at 124, apologies about that, 124 wins and 1 loss. 1 loss was on Luna. Unfortunately, everybody lost Luna. Okay, back to the analysis. Here's the deal. I'm looking at this on the daily time frame, and I'm sensing this happening right now, and I'm actually going to take you guys down to the 1 minute time frame because we're going to get nitty gritty into this. What we saw is a nice crash back down. People are waking up this morning and they're starting to buy again. Okay, because I think they're trying to buy this support right around here. We exited 50% of all of our holding positions yesterday. Okay, we exited 50%. That's why the account isn't going down much, and it's actually going up because we still have 50% in there. I'm looking to enter in the 50% below this red line, and I want to give you guys a target. We're basically sitting right at the red line. ADA is lower, Mana is definitely lower, Doja is lower, DOT is definitely lower. Sheeb's actually just pushing just a little bit higher, and AVX is a little bit lower right now. So On the 4-hour time frame, we are also seeing trend exhaustion high and well money flow high as well. So this may be this last ditch effort here, guys, of trying to push back up to the resistance here and then a move back down. So overall, if we're looking at this, guys, I do think we have a higher chance, we're going to pull in metrics here, of seeing this market trying to move up just a little bit higher here and then actually see another move back down. These metrics are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this morning, just so you guys know. But you're going to get these metrics on all these with our membership. It's awesome. But here's the deal. This shows you guys the percentage chance of a move back down. We are far above 50%, pushing close to 70%. So if I had to make a prediction here, it looks like we're seeing possibly a greater chance of a move back down. Now, let me take you guys to the 1 minute time frame because I want to show you guys something that's happening right now. 1 minute time frame is this. We have a little bit of more room to move up here to the top of the resistance. We're definitely not there. So anytime between now and here, we can definitely fake people out and just move straight back down. Okay, that can easily happen. But here's something that could happen that I want to be honest about of how this thing could absolutely skyrocket. And I usually just trade on the 4-hour. Actually, we're going to keep this to the 4-hour just because it makes it easy for us to see what's going on here. Here's a deal that everyone needs to be watching out for this weekend is what's called a short squeeze. We have the 1, 2, 3 touch. We've got the 1, 2, and 3 touch on the ascending resistance. This is where a lot of people are going to look to shorten the market. We called it yesterday. People made money on the shorts. If you guys exited, great. You're actually still in the profit because we called it 22,000. If you watched the Bitcoin video yesterday, great. So if people shorted in here, and if for some reason, guys, Bitcoin actually moves up above this resistance right here, and I would say if we move above $23,000, that's an official break of this resistance, but it's also an official break of this resistance here. Let me put it back on the chart so you can see this. This is the level you need to be watching. It is 23,000. It's very close to wick value up here, but wick value is right around 22,889. If you pull up here to 23,000 and higher, you officially break structure resistance here and structure resistance there. From there, the next target for Bitcoin is going to be sitting right here, which pushes us up to 25,000, which is the quarters theory number. 25,000, 50,000, 75,000, 100,000. This is the greatest place for the next drop in crypto easily, because not only is it a resistance, but it's also at a quarters theory level of 25,000. So that's what could actually happen here, guys. There's a lot of people coming out shorting the market because our indicators are looking for a move down. If I had to make a prediction, guys, my prediction is this is going to be trapping people to the upside and we're going to see a move back down today. That's what I have to call out, because if that's what the metrics are showing, guys, there's a lot higher correlation here that the metrics are going to show a move back down here, guys, than just a move straight back up. I know a lot of people want the market to go up. I don't blame you. I think the market's going to go up, and I think these are the greatest times to be buying crypto. That's why I bought another $50,000 worth, because I think we're at the bottom. But I think this channel could play out where we get another touch to the downside maybe one more time, and then we could see a decent move back up. I just don't see this thing skyrocketing straight up here within the next 3 to 4 days. I could be wrong. Okay, I could be wrong about that, but that is why I show you guys and I use really good risk management. We exited 50% yesterday. Just in case it goes up, we're still going to make money. But any market move back down here, guys, to this green line, which is where I'm looking to get into the next position. Also, when trend exhaustion's at the bottom here, we're looking to get back in with the other 50%. We are guaranteed to acquire more coins when that happens. This is awesome, guys. I love trading with you. We're having such a blast over here. So that's the full analysis. You guys saw the metrics. You saw the indicators. Overall, we are looking more bearish in the market, in my personal opinion. But I'll keep you guys updated. The membership over here, snag this, guys. The next scalping trade we're going to call out is going to be in the membership, so everybody knows that. Like I said, we called out 10 trades in a row on YouTube, so everybody could be like, is this guy really true? Did you seriously do 0.78%? Yes, guys, they were all called out on YouTube if you followed us and you're subscribed to this channel. We're going to start transitioning this over to the members. It's just a great way, honestly, guys, if you're looking to market something, just for all you business owners out there, like release stuff to the public so they can see it live, so they can get an idea of what it looks like, and then charge them for it. It's a great way to just show transparency of how the strategy works. So definitely be looking out for that next scalping trade for all of our members. And then we're going to go live with you guys, everybody in our group, on July 21st. It's a Thursday from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Inside Tips is where we're going to be posting that trade. You guys get a community chat. All the master classes literally that we've had $1 million hedge funds go through, honestly $1 billion, but we've got both. And then the Telegram channel you guys want access to get access to all the updates that I do and the metrics you can find on all of these. I want to leave you guys with this before we go into the weekend. The scalping strategy is getting a lot of people really excited. But here's the deal. 2 things. Make sure you guys grab the bundle pack because tonight I'm upping the price of this. You're going to get 50% off, $50 off, which is a total of 84%, a lot higher than 50%. You're going to get 84% off. We're going to be upping the price tonight, so you cannot get the extra $50 off after 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today. Just going to be honest with you guys. Today's July 8th. You have until tonight at 5 p.m. Pacific Time. That's all you guys get, okay? We've had a guy down here take his account from $150 to $1,000 with just using the indicators. Then he took his $1,000, and then he took that, and then he came over here and turned it into $3,000. I'll show you guys under the testimonials over here because he put in 2 comments here. I'll be honest, guys, he did use leverage. If you are comfortable using leverage, it's not a bad thing. I do not suggest most people out there use leverage, though. Most people do not know how to use it, and their emotions get affected, and I would say 99% of people should not be using any type of leverage. This guy clearly knows how to use it. He's like, it was a hard challenge, but the indicators did it. This guy down here literally did $23,000 with our indicators in a single week with the trend exhaustion price or swell money flow. I'm getting you guys jacked up because this is where the money is being made. It is made scalping right now. $6,310 trading with the indicators and strategy on ADA and SOL, okay? Pretty ridiculous. $3,500 this week. This week when he posted this with the indicators and the metrics. All right? It's pretty crazy. This guy pocketed $1,376 overnight. Okay, he said he's up officially about $4,000 since late December. Pretty awesome what people are able to do over here. Okay, guys? I love you. Have an amazing day. The strategy for the scalping trade is right here on the front page of tradeconfident.io. I've literally linked this in the description and the first comment of this YouTube video. Watch this video. This is how we scalp. Here are the indicators. Here's the membership. Here is the Telegram access, which is included with the membership that you guys need. Once you have these, you are good to go. I'm going to be calling out the next trade for you guys when I see the next setup. It's easy as that. Subscribe. I'll call out the next trade setup for a 4% take profit. We're just going to keep doing this over and over again. This is awesome, guys. Have a good one. Have an amazing weekend. I'll keep you guys updated. Everything that I do is going to be released in Telegram, so you can follow me there. Just make sure you guys have a membership. Snag those indicators before they go up. Today, they're going up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.